Hello everyone, welcome to this new session and welcome to Slide HR. Today we are going to discuss about the whole process of your job search process. So in this process, we have already covered one or two section and other section I will be discuss with you today in the detail, and after that we will be go to the practically. So every step there is involved near about 10 steps. Every step will have two sections. First section will be your detailed discussion and second section will be involved the totally practical demo. So the most of the knowledge will be get to you. So let's go to the first section which we have covered already. There are the foremost requirement for search of job interview, that is your resume. So first of all, when you have to prepare a resume, you should have known about the essential requirement for required to build a resume. So we here are trying to develop a expert resume which will be most researchable in the market and which will be professionally accredited. So what are those six essential which is required for the resume that are already discussed and video is available in the series? So I will share that in the description, you can get that from there. So that the second step in your job search is there. When you have known to these six essential, then you have to collect the data and information related to these six parameters and pillar for building an expert resume. After that, the step number third is you have to prepare a resume template. That template which is most researchers eye-catching, attractive, so every interviewer, every recruiter, if they saw your resume, they will be definitely called to and they want to meet you, because your resume is your portfolio, your profile, your blueprint of your KSAs. KSAs means your knowledge, skill, and abilities. So the next step, which will be covered in this section, that is when you have finalized the template. After that, where you have to upload that and how you have to upload that. The next step in the process of your job search, that will be where to search the job. You have uploaded your resume on any portal or any section, so how they will be only get to you when they have the opening. But you are aggressive here. Our motto is to get you closer to the job as immediately as possibly. So how you search for that jobs in the market, most of the job is available, we will also share that technique to you. And after that, the next step involved in this, how to search the job and the tool, we will be discuss and share with you. The next step involved in this section, that is how to prepare for interviews on the day of interview. Before going for an interview, there is some specific things you have to take care. Those things are very important for preparing an interview, so we will be discuss that in detail. After that, or before that, one important section is there, how to apply for a job. We will discuss how you have to apply for those jobs. If you get there is a something open vacancies or open position, how to apply for that, what are the tools you have to use for those. So we will discuss that. Then after the next section come here, that is how to answer the behavior question. We will have a detailed Q&A session to make your knowledge of the next level, so that you will be clearly close to your job selection process. Then the next section, if you have to the face-to-face interview, you have cleared that. The next part is important part, that is your salary negotiation. How to do that? We will be discuss that in the detail with a practical demo. And the last one, when you have negotiated everything and the offer is in your hand, then the next section come, because you are in the process and aggressively working on this and learning from SPR, learning from first slide. Then the next process and the final process is there. You may have 3 and 4 offers in your hand. So after that, how you have to select that which organization is fit for you or best for you. We will also discuss that tool or have a practical demo for this. Now let's go to the check the section one by one as practically what we have to and how we have to do those sections. Let's have a look. So this is all about in this session for the day today, and then we will be meet with you in the next class where we will follow the same process of there is one theoretically a detailed section, what are the steps involved. Then second part of this session will be the practical session, how we do practically. Our mission and motto is to get the most of the advanced knowledge to you, to power up you, to charge you, to aggressively make you to grab that one job which are looking for you. For that, you have to prepare, you have to follow all these steps, and you have to follow this one of the approach PDCA and always follow through this approach everywhere. You will not be failed anywhere. So this is all about in this session today. I'm ending it here. So see you in the next session, which will be based on the two portion. One is here theoretically reading and the involving of the step, and second one practically doing all those steps are there. So see you in the next section or next class. Till then, bye bye. Best wishes for you to getting in your job very quickly.